Alright, this will be the elevator here at JCPenney at the Altamonte Mall here in Altamonte Springs, Florida. And we have an older Montgomery elevator that got a partial mod by Montgomery KONE with innovation. Go up to the upper level. Upper level, back down to the lower level. Here's your cab view. Oh wow, this thing's fast going down. I believe this is the original cab back when this was old Montgomery. We're back at LL. We'll go up one more time to the upper level, listen to the motor. We're back at UL. Interesting how the buttons stay slid because I think this is still the original controller. There's your certificates, floating carrier which is completely dead, Montgomery KONE logo, and your original Montgomery logo. There's your original floating carrier which sadly is dead too. We got a second panel over here for ADA compliance. And here we're back to the lower level. There's the old Montgomery door track. Overall, pretty cool elevator, despite the innovation button replacement by Montgomery KONE. Anyways, there goes the elevator, and that will be it.